Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to use the face age effect on TikTok. So if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit that like button if you find this video useful. So this TikTok effect will guess your age according to your face. So let me show you how to find it and how to use this effect on TikTok. So first you want to go ahead and open up TikTok. Next you want to tap on search and you're searching for face age. Go ahead and tap on any of the video that is doing the face age effect video and then tap on face age, which is just above the username. This will take you to the effect page for that effect. Now go ahead and tap on use this effect. Now here you need to show your face and then you can go ahead and press the record button. This will now recognize your face and will start to guess your age according to your looks. And there you go, I'm 14 years old according to that. And there you go, that is how to use the face age effect on TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.